Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to deal with patients who have no next test date. Now I'm already logged into Dawn, and from here on the work list dashboard panel I can look at a list of patients who have no next test date, and I click on this link here. Now it's really important that all active patients with active treatment plans in Dawn have a next appointment. This is the way that Dawn keeps up with them. So if they don't meet that appointment, they'll appear as a non-attender or a missed test. So let's have a look at the two patients on this list. So I click into the first one, and I can see they've got an active treatment plan. They look to have been dosed recently, but for some reason they don't have a next appointment. So at this point the system isn't actually monitoring them as such. So what we need to do is to click on the calendar, select the appointment date, and then create the appointment. Now what happens when I do that and I go back to the list view is that that patient no longer appears on this list. So let's have a look at this next patient. Now this patient, they've got an active treatment plan, they've no history. It looks like it's a new patient that's been added to Dawn, but somebody's forgotten to set the preferred clinic. So if I select a preferred clinic, and to set the next appointment. So I click on the calendar, I select the date of the next appointment, and I can create that appointment. If I go back to the list view, I've now dealt with both of those patients who had no next test date, and if I click on the home page, there's nobody now on my list of patients with no next test date.